Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be drawing Simba from The Lion King. To start off with, you want to draw a circle and divide that in half, both horizontally and vertically. Then I'm going to draw the ears with a big C shape on either side, and I'm going to be drawing these zigzag lines for the hair. Next, for the eyes, we're going to be drawing these rectangles with curves on top for the eyebrows. We're going to be drawing a V shape for the nose, and we're going to be drawing a W shape for the mouth. I'm drawing closed parentheses for the body and an upside down U shape for the chest that's broken up with some squiggles. Next, I'm going to be creating some thicker outlines for the final inking portion. I'm going to be using Procreate with the 6B pencil for everything, including the coloring portion. I'm just using one golden color as a accent color. Let me know down below what your favorite Lion King character is and what you'd like me to doodle for my next daily drawing. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe.